All right, WMC, this is the big one, the video to find the winner of my Bill Hall tracksuit. So we'll check the time, May 30th at 2:26 p.m. We're gonna go over to the raffle and type live, and we have May 30th at 2:26 p.m. There is the list of our 75 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Chris. Spot 43 is your winner. So, Chris, please message me to collect your lovely Bill Hall. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, May 30th, 2:27 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.